Cozy. I am temporarily putting on my old screen protector just to show you what it looks like. It does have bubbles on it a little bit because this has been on my desk for a while. Just actually over there on the wall over there. Oops. But never mind all that BS. I'm going to turn this off here because I got a lot of bubbles in there. That's totally fine, totally fine. I just wanted to show you this here. Get this and stab that a few times. Putting some aggression to it, and it doesn't really penetrate. Doesn't crack the screen or anything. It pretty much stays as is. I like it only because it is stab proof. It doesn't shatter. What I'm going to do is come over here and I'm going to pick this off right there and show you that this is what it actually is. This is the screen protector. It is soft. It can be poked. Yeah. This is the kind that I think you actually need, because the one that's glass, well, it's going to crack and you have to replace it immediately, whereas this can take some punches and a few stabs, and then after those stabs, you simply replace it then. So, save you some trip, save them some little time and effort on their side too. Them meaning T-Mobile or whoever you're using. Okay. Enjoy Arizona. Hang on, there's my good thumbs up. There we go. Enjoy Arizona.